Hey guys, what's up? Are you ready to update the CapCut mobile application on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly update the CapCut so that you can get back to creating amazing content. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, head towards your Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar icon at the top of the screen and simply search for CapCut. Once you'll tap on that, here right next to the CapCut, it will either says open or update. If it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible, because updating the apps usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Okay, so guys, there is another way to find out if the update is available or not. For that, you have to go back, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, head towards the first option named as manage apps and device. Now go towards the option named as updates available. After that, it will show you the list of all the apps which are needed to be updated. So if you see the CapCut here, you simply have to tap on update right next to that, and after that your CapCut mobile application will be starting updated. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.